Hello, welcome to my new listing at 201 Diamond Way, Unit 223 here in Vista. Got a great 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo. Nice little courtyard area here. We're on the second floor, which is nice because that way you don't have anyone above you. Let's check it out. We've got new carpet and paint in here. Really nice layout here too. And it's completely affordable at $335. So with this price range with 3-bedroom, 2-bath, this is gonna go fast. Nice, quiet unit. Now you got a pool over there as well, tennis court. A little mountain view over there. Take the dog downstairs and let him do his business. There you go. New microwave. A lot of potential here. Here's your washer dryer hookup. AC, can't beat that. I don't care what anybody says, it gets a little toasty here in Vista in the summertime. There you go. Hall bath. And this is one of the smaller bedrooms, which is perfect for the kids, or you could also have a home office here. There you go. And you do have, right over there actually is a one-car garage, one-car detached garage, and you get a space as well. So let's go take a look at the master. Here we go, nice big master here. Look at that. And last but not least, here is the master bath. There you go. All right. So that's it. If you have any questions, my name is Joe Johnston with Kling Realty. My number is 760-420-1933. Thanks for looking.